How to draw eyes like this. Lashes. Pupil. Blend. Okay, you're not even teaching at this point. You're just saying words, bro. More lashes. Please, tutorial, I will give you my liver. Give it to me. Okay, that's kind of weird, bro. Okay, -2 out of 10. Very bad tutorial. However, I will attempt to recreate that. Attempt, okay. First, we got the base shape. Almond? You drew an almond? Okay, I will trust you. Lashes? Yeah, I usually draw upward lashes, but let's just follow along. Pupil? That is not the pupil. Are you dumb? The pupil is the dot on the eye. This is the iris, okay? I swear, all artists are dumb. But then again, I dropped out, so yeah. Anyway, so you airbrush the iris, eyelids. So I'm gonna use this red color and use my brush and the airbrush alternately. This is more complicated than I thought. But like, I can never be the person who spends so much time on the details, you know? I like my drawings semi-ugly. Okay, more lashes. Okay, some more contouring, I guess. Ooh, and the juicy highlights. Alright, just gonna use this G pen. Yeah, that hits the spot. Okay, so we're kind of finished. So yeah, I did this for 15 minutes. Not too shabby. You know what, guys? This would be nothing without those highlights. Okay, it literally went from 2 to a 9 when I added those juicy highlights. Never forget the highlights, guys. Next, what the heck is this? Is that a cat? Oh, okay. Wait, you turned it into smegsy abs. Okay, the furries are at it again. Y'all are weird, bro. I'm just saying. Next, how to draw eyebrows. That's wrong. Not gonna lie though, you're low-key disrespecting the British community. Okay, so you're using geometry to draw eyebrows? Wow. Okay, well, let's try it out. So I have this very old drawing when I was experimenting. Okay, so first, let's erase her eyebrows. It looks very smegsy. Okay, so let's create the triangle thing here, starting from the nose, then towards the corner of her eye, and then another one here. Okay, so let's make the eyebrow. I'm gonna use this brush just because. Okay, no, that is ugly AF. Okay, I'm gonna fix it. First, let's erase the guidelines. Let's airbrush a light color. Alright. Okay, this is the before and after. The before has this Hannah K expression, but this one, she just looks straight up sassy. Girl boss, you know? Okay, next. Wow, very amazing brush. Okay, we have another one from the same artist. Wow, the ASMR is ASMR-ing. My booty cheeks are tingling. Okay, I shall do that as well. Of course, I'm gonna record the brush strokes so your booty cheeks will tingle as well. Wait, first off, I gotta find that brush though. Brush? There's a similar brush to this if you search on Gumroad. Padiv Summer Favorite. It should come up if they have a free set with 3 brushes, or you can buy the full set. Free? Hell yeah. If it's free, then I'm gonna have to download it. Hell yeah. Got him. So now that I think about it, I don't know how to import brushes in Procreate. How to import Procreate brushes. Oh, okay. I'm gonna download this and just open it with Procreate. There we go. I'm so smart for that. Alright, so now let's draw the hair. Haha. Do you like that sound? Do you enjoy that sound? Rate the sound. 1 to 10. Very nice sound. Are your booty cheeks tingling right now? Next.
This is the easiest way to draw.
Bruh, what is that? Voldemort?
A triangle. Add an upside down triangle and a circle at the bottom of that. Start with the sides first, U shape, and shade under the U shape if you got value.
Okay, well, that's very nice. I would not do that though. I'm not gonna torture myself. Let's just move on. So this guy is trying to draw a nose. Okay, so drawing the nostrils and then blending it out. Okay, this sucks. I'm gonna fix it. Ooh, smegsy. Paul viewer can't draw hands, but you use the bamboo method. Wait, is that it? Are you not gonna explain the bamboo method? No context whatsoever? Bro, I hate TikToks like this. Okay, let's look up bamboo method. Do you draw fingers like this? Hold up, that was some fine chest you got there. Ooh la la. Anyway, stop that abomination. That is indeed an abomination. Draw bamboos instead. So let's try that out. First, let's get a hand reference on Pinterest. Don't judge my search results, okay? I made a tutorial recently. I know that they are sus, okay? Okay, so first we we draw this weird shape, and now we draw this. So it kind of looks like a booty crack. It's kind of a muscle, I think. Okay, so now we draw another weird shape. The highest point is the middle finger, and now we split it into 4. And then create these lines. The entire essence of the bamboo method is to draw fingers in sections, which, you know, is what I've always been doing this whole time. So I kind of know it already. Okay, so thumb. Then erase the guideline. So let's draw the thumb. Okay, this looks too juicy, a little bit too smooth. So let's add some juicy wrinkles. Oh yes. Okay, so I rated 6 out of 10. Useful for beginners. Wait a second, guys. I was screwing around and experimenting, and I just wanted to show this to y'all. Like, I didn't know how thick the outlines were, so I used the liquify tool right here to shrink the line art. Watch. Zam! Look at that. You see that? It is thin now. Bella Hadid. Dang. It just stopped looking messy. Next. Can't draw the other eye without copy pasting. Wrong. Add layer. Use the other eye as reference. Okay. Some adjustments. And congrats, he drew the other eye. Ooh. W tutorial. 10 out of 10. But if you're gonna use my name for clout, make sure that you spell it right. It's Coolleen. O-O-E. Next. Okay. Quick tip. What are we looking at here? Okay, so you drew a chocolate bar. Okay. Okay, honestly, this tutorial is fast-paced. Just watch it, okay? Okay, so this is the final result. Let's try it out. Okay, so we drew a rectangle. Very basic. Zam! Okay, I really can't draw a line, huh? Okay, we got the rectangle. Split it into 4. Damn, how many steps does this have? Okay, so let's draw this line for the eyes. The reason why it's divided like this is that the eyes are 1 eye apart. Okay, now we draw him. So we draw this little triangle. Illuminati. Okay, I'm gonna erase it so it's easier for y'all to see. I'm just drawing the eyes real quick, you know? The other facial features. The ears start from like the nose until the upper part of the eyes. Okay, so now we draw the hair. What now? We're gonna draw a headband for some reason. Okay, so when you're drawing hair, make sure to leave some excess space so it looks like it has more volume. You wouldn't want your character to look bald, would you? Okay, so let's just erase the guidelines. Okay, Picasso. Okay, not gonna lie, he kinda ugly. I don't know about y'all, but he looks like an H protagonist. Wait, let me try making him a BL protagonist real quick. Okay, first off, let's change the lips, make them juicier, add some shadows. Okay, he looks very uncanny. And then change the hair real quick. Okay, he still looks ugly. Next. What is that channel? Very familiar. What is this? Oh, W improvement. And look at that caption. Coolleen tutorials really saved me. My tutorials saved you? For real? Are you sure they didn't traumatize you? Okay, well, thank you. That is very sweet. 100 out of 10 TikTok. Okay, hope you guys enjoy this video. Watch this video next and I'll see you there. Stay cool.